With Kalamkari design being popular and famous all over India, we've got the perfect set of fabrics of Kalamkari digital printed and hand painted Kalamkari here at our store. Now this fabric that you see is a gorgeous jute fabric. We've got a great collection of these kind of fabrics here, which would be perfect for a menswear kurta. Even if you want to create a nice Indo-Western outfit with this, these kind of fabrics would look amazing because this is all of our craft fabrics that you see. It's a beautifully digital printed Kalamkari work that has been done across this fabric in a very nice contrast of maroon and blue shade. As you see the blue, it's a nice dark teal shade and the maroon shade is quite dull. So this fabric would look perfect for any neutral kind of outfits you want to customize for menswear or for workwear as well. These kind of fabrics would look perfect to customize into a kurti. Now this one that you see is another fabric that I've told about earlier. It's a jute fabric and it's got this really nice shade of dark blue color. The base color is quite vibrant and complements all brown skin tones, so this would look perfect to create any Indo-Western outfits or a traditional and authentic kurti or a kurta. So the customizations that you're looking for, you can get to know more details by commenting down. Even if you have any pricing details about these beautiful Kalamkari designed fabrics, you can comment down and let us know. Now the perfect part about it is all the vibrant shades of digitally printed Kalamkari work that has been done, making it really unique and different from other fabrics. Now this very flowy, lightweight tussar silk that you see is also one of our perfect fabrics to create a nice Kalamkari look. Now we've got a great set of fabrics over which we've done hand painted Kalamkari and digital printed Kalamkari, one of which is this gorgeous purple shade of tussar silk fabric. Over this you can see that we have put a darker shade of Kalamkari digital print all across this fabric in a very unique pattern. Now this is perfect to create a kurti wear, an A-line suit, even a co-ord set with this kind of Kalamkari would look perfect, and you can get to know more about this information through our designers who are here at Banjara Hills Road number 1. Now this matka fabric that you see has this really nice twill weave to it. It's intricately done. If you take a closer look at it, you can find out more about the weave, making it look very unique and special from other fabrics. You can create beautiful co-ord sets for yourself or a nice kurta or kurti and it would look just perfect on you. Gorgeous yellow shade over here used. It's not too vibrant or gaudy. It's the perfect minimal color, and all of the Kalamkari work that you see are done in a nice neutral brown tones, giving it the perfect earthy look that you're going for. You can create nice kurtis with this, co-ord sets and many more outfits. If you want to know more about the pricing details, you can comment down below. Now you know how much we love these Kalamkari silks, one of which is this beautiful raw silk that you see. All of the work that you see here is hand painted with pen Kalamkari. All of this is done with neem stems, making it look very authentic and different. The colors used here are also natural dyes, making it very earthy, and the smell too is quite rich and amazing. So the fabric itself is perfect to recreate into a nice blouse piece for a unique statement piece in your wardrobe, or a beautiful dupatta to contrast with amazing suits and kurtis. Now all of the work that you see has nice mythological animals done on it and floral work, which is the authentic Kalamkari work that you see done by artisans. A nice dark green shade over here you see. Now we have created a kurta earlier for one of our clients with this kind of twill weave of matka fabric. This too is perfect to create a nice kurta, or if you want to create a fusion wear blazer or a coat with this kind of fabric, it would look perfect because of the Kalamkari print that you see, which makes it really different from others, and the colors that you see giving it a very neutral and dark shade, which is just perfect during this season, and it would look amazing for any workwear too. Now here we have selected a really beautiful tussar silk fabric. Again, all over this you can see the Kalamkari digital print that has been done. Beautiful floral work and the vibrant shades just look amazing. Now the color that you see in the base is a nice green shade, and all over it the colors that you see which is contrasting to it also is quite muted. So this is perfect to create a co-ord set, a kurti, kurta, or even if you want to create a statement dupatta, this tussar silk will look amazing on you. Now here what you see is this very nice tissue organza fabric in front of you, giving it a beautiful sheen. It's very glamorous and it looks perfect to create any kind of dresses, or you want to create a nice kids wear outfit with this. You want to stand out, give something more comfortable and lightweight, yet you want an authentic design on it. We've got this really nice Kalamkari design all over this tissue silk, making it look just perfect to create any kind of outfits, be it for menswear or women's wear or kids wear. Now this fabric that you see is again a beautiful Kalamkari in nice digital print. Again, this is our tissue organza collection. We've got are two great designs of kalamkari on these tissue organzas, which are perfect to create any kids wear or women's wear outfit. Now all over this you can see these neutral tones that have been used as a digital print over this tissue silk, making it perfect to create a nice frock, lehenga or a dupatta with this kind of tissue organza fabric. As you must know how exclusive and on demand our raw silk digitally printed fabrics are, one of which I've selected here is another kalamkari digitally printed raw silk fabric. You can see the base color, it's a beautiful blue shade, and all over this you can see this really nice vibrant digital print done in kalamkari design. This would be perfect to create a kurti, or if you want to create a co-ord set which is a little traditional yet modern. These kind of fabrics would look amazing to customize. And if you guys have any more information about the pricing or customization details, you can comment below or visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe to our channel and follow us on all of our social media pages. If you want to know more about our details, you can comment below or you can visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1.